Deck is like rectangle right now, and I'm going over here to get on the other deck. I'm just going to put
Did we
these
explain
boards
what the
here
deck
straight
here is
across.
going to look like?
Like this.
I don't think I even know what the
And
deck
then
is.
these will be angled, and then those will be.
I think
So you're going to come
it's
to 45
like a
and
small
put the points together?
They said throw wooden balls.
No. Girls,
Dick's deck is like
no.
that. He didn't do it.
In fact, bring those
No,
over
guy did it.
here.
That's what his deck is like. It's all like
You know
coming
what?
down the middle
Those
like
are.
that. Kind of looks cool, but yeah, it's trouble. There's like a lot of cuts.
Yeah. You use them to pick up. Yeah, make snowballs.
Look like bomb buses to me.
Wow, yours is really big.
Looks like a nutcracker. A little bean snowball maker.
Back in the day, that's what they used to
Daddy, do I have anything on my face?
Nope, I don't think that's for you. I think we should. You wanna give the cards to Grandma and Grandpa to open?
Video?
How about the ball?
Well, I guess we gotta wait.
I do that. It looks like my arm.
Who made the peace sign?
Maria.
Who made the heart?
Maria.
What'd you make?
Oh, this was only what Maria made. Me and Louise made some things together.
I see. Should I wait till Graham and Mom comes back? Okay. I'll wait. Have patience. Get him! Get him! He's such a bad. His little hair on his neck sticks up.